Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show how to recover deleted call recording or recover and restore your deleted audio and voice recording. So let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow my all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store. Here you can see Google Play Store. Open it and then search recover audio and call recording. And then scroll down and then recover audio and call recording. Open it and then please install this app. And then open it and then start. Click here and in this area you can see audio recovery, audio files. You can choose and open audio recovery, so click on it and then choose allow and then scan. Click here and then wait few seconds or wait few minutes. And in this area you can see my all deleted call recording or audio and voice recording recovery or restore in this here. And in this time you can easily recover or restore your all deleted. So let's see how to do that. And then open it and in this time you can choose and select it. You need call recording or audio or voice recording. So let's see and then click here and then click on it. And then you can see restore now option. Click here and then successfully restored and recover. And then go back and then open it and then click on it. And in this time you can play your deleted call recording and then go back and then click here and then restore now option. Click on it. File restore successfully and then go back and then go back and then open audio files. And remember, in this here save or recover or restore your deleted call recording, audio or voice recording. And then three dot line, click on it and then you can see share option. Click here and in this time you can share your recover or restore deleted call recording, audio or voice recording. And then click on it and in this time you can play your recover or restore deleted call recording, audio or voice recording. And in this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted call recording, audio and voice recording. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.